Hey guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will introduce you to Mr. Pop. You can also call him Mr. Popcorn. Why? Because he has got a lot of questions to ask me. He answers me with his questions. So let's see what questions he has got for us today. So stay tuned. Oh, I forgot to introduce him. You should be wandering around. Let me get hold of him. Hey Mr. Pop, where are you? Hey Mr. Pop, you're here. I was searching for you. Hey friends, this is Mr. Pop. So Pop, what's your question for today? Like I wanted to know what's the difference between mobile phone camera and DSLR camera in terms of megapixel. Because my friend has got a new phone which has got 64 megapixel, whereas my DSLR is just 24. Can you please help me? So as you know, today in this video we'll talk about how mobile camera is different from the DSLR. Usually people ask you, right, how many megapixels does your camera have? The mid-range DSLRs have like 20 to 24 megapixels at the most. Whereas mobile phone which are launched these days have 32 megapixels, 64 megapixels, maybe even more in the upcoming days, which is twice or thrice the DSLR. But you find after capturing, the DSLR's photo is far more better than the mobile phones in terms of color, in terms of the quality, in terms of dynamic range, whatnot. How was this possible? The question mark. That's because the sensor size of DSLR is almost 20 to 60 times that of mobile phones. The sensor area of DSLR is about 8.6 cm square, whereas the mobile phones is just 0.15 centimeter square. So now you know why. Bigger the sensor size, better the quality in terms of resolution, in terms of dynamic range and voice reduction. Now let us understand what are pixels. Pixels were also known as photosites. The sensors array are made up of millions of individual pixels. This pixel will collect the data from light's intensity. On top of this pixel, there is something known as base filter, where RGB color buckets are placed. This will give you information of color. Now we'll not touch upon base filter, that's a totally another different concept. As I told you, there are millions of pixels on this sensor. Now this 24 megapixels of DSLR should spread across 8.6 centimeters square. Whereas in mobile phone, 64 megapixels should spread in just 0.15 centimeters square, which means the pixel size of this DSLR is bigger than the mobile phones. Bigger the pixel size, better the information it can gather and it can reduce noise. Now you understand why there was a noise in low light mobile photography. To understand this pixel concept better, let us take a small bowl and a bucket. Replace this bucket and a bowl with our phone's and DSLR's pixel size. Now imagine that bowl and a bucket is placed outside while it is raining. Here rain means the amount of light. After sometimes you get your bowl and a bucket back. Now you measure the amount of water collected by bowl and a bucket. You notice the difference. In the similar way, this DSLR's pixel, which is bigger, can collect more light information, which helps in enhancing your image while editing. So that's how you get a better image quality in DSLR. So hope this video has helped you in understanding the concept. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.